Hey everybody, have you ever wondered how to change the light bulb out of your third brake light? The one that sits up in the center and you're like, how in the do I get to this? Well, stay tuned. This is a 2002 Toyota Corolla and you can do this very quick. You don't got to pay anybody for it and you can replace the bulbs for almost nothing. They are very inexpensive. Okay, we are doing this video in order to help you save you and your family some money. Any of the products listed that we talk about will be on our Amazon listing in our description, just in case you need help finding it, because we are affiliate. Meanwhile, looking to earn your sub today, and if you need to get a chance, come on out and visit me on Instagram. Love it, man. I'm going to have that posted in here too. And meanwhile, let's get right down to this. So, this 02 Corolla, you're kind of looking at it going, how the heck do I get this out of here? Alright, that's a pretty fair question. So how you actually do it isn't from up here. You actually got to access it from the bottom. So I kind of have you on a short tripod right now, but it's still too tall. So I'm going to do this. Try not to make you too crazy drunk here. And you're going to have a couple little slots. One here and one there. I'm getting ready to pop it up and show you. So you just pop those in, which I've already kind of pre-done, and you'll see your light sticking right here out of the center hole. And once you kind of move those back, you kind of come sitting right up here, and you will, in fact, slide that bad boy back. Now, we're going to take a real good look at that underneath so you get a real good idea of how that operates. The front two clips are just hidden. There's no way you can access those guys that I can see. No. You can just see they just go in a little cutout. So they pop in, but the front two actually got a little hook on them. You just push them back and it slides up. So let's take a look inside the vehicle and see what this thing looks like. Okay guys, I have managed to make it to the rear. And I just wanted to show you these cutouts. If I can actually do it. Okay. Man, this is a little tougher than I thought. Let me just take this out. Okay, so let's take a look at how this works. First, we're going to need the light. We need a little bit of focus. Okay. From underneath the vehicle, what you can't see is these two hooks right here. So you just slide these two hooks back, then push up on the center, right there. That's what I'm doing. And these little guys right here, they're just stuck in. They're just popped in. Meanwhile, it's just the light is just another twist and go, just like any other light. Nothing special. I'm gonna get a little closer for you guys. Trying to feel the love here. All right, let's see if I can at least somehow get over here on this one. Okay, so I'm not sure what size this bad boy is. I can't. The problem is when I'm doing this crazy stuff with you guys is I can't actually see the camera, or I can't do the job and see the camera at the same time. So I'm just kind of hoping that you can actually physically see this. Alright, once again we got a problem with my eyeballs, but what you do is you go to the... Actually, that one right there might be blown. See, I can't see that well. You guys could probably... I'll find out if it's blown or not, but y'all give me your guess. I think that thing is blown. What do y'all think? Is that thing blown? I know it looks pretty bad anyway, but I don't think it's actually blown. But, like I said, I'll put one in the description. I'm going to look up the part number and do it, and then that way you have it. But I'm doing this video because this little bulb blows out all the time, and for God's sakes, it's like such a pain. And in Virginia, it's an inspection item. And here's another look at what's sitting in the back. See, those are just kind of popped in. They just pop right out. They just kind of like a seat goes in, like the bottom of a seat. Same theory. And then of course the light just screws in to the bottom. I mean, it just twists in actually. So this is really simple. This is probably just like the light I just did for the tail light. This is like 5 or 10 minutes, zero difficulty. It's just a matter of knowing what you're looking at. Anyone can do this. I do recommend putting a little bit of bulb grease on anything you're doing with bulbs, because once they sit there for years and years and years, they do kind of corrode sometimes, so never a bad idea to be prepared for it. Meanwhile, nothing but love from the car, man. I hope you guys get a chance to subscribe, man. I'm digging Instagram lately, so if you guys get a chance, hit me up on Insta. And that's about it for right now. I guess we're going to move on. I got another little video coming up, and we're going to move right into that one. All right, nothing but peace and love, man. See you guys later on the flip.